It's a 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It's well equipped with the features you need: auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual telescoping steering column, GMC 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, active grille shutters, 4-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.